Okay, we need to go in to get a proper look at these, but this is a little preview. I mean, it's so expensive because of the beautiful embroidery. The micro East-West Lady Diors actually only came out for cruise now. That's why we haven't seen them before. Oh my god, guys, these are Harrods exclusives. I definitely want a mini Jodie. I think it's a really cool bag. You know, I'm quite tall, but even on me it looks gigantic. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another very grey day. Winter's coming finally. I got my grey little vegan full fur coat and my coffee. It's still very early. So what are we doing today? We're gonna go have a look at the Harrods Christmas window displays. I think they already have them up. I think Dior's got a lot of them up. I think I've seen already some really beautiful bags that I want to show you. But also, guys, I want to have a look at this Bottega Veneta shearling Jodie. I saw it already last year and I was thinking, oh my god, this is so beautiful. And I feel like maybe I want to get one of those because they're really cute. And oh yeah, always wanted to have a Jodie. I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger on that. They have it in so many beautiful colors. Nonetheless, guys, I wanted to show you again how beautiful London is. Let's just ignore the grey sky. And a quick little OOTD, guys. So I'm wearing my beautiful snow leopard unreal fur coat today. So many of you said it looks like a Himalayan burger just in a coat. I totally agree. I really like this one and they are so cozy and comfy. And I just got like these pants and a top and my beautiful Gabrielle bag, which is my most used bag. Guys, if you haven't seen my entire handbag collection video yet, go and check it out because, you know, I think it's an insane collection by now. Christmas decorations are up everywhere. And look at this. I love Christmas. There we are, guys, Harrods. And like I said, everything is Dior themed this year. Okay, let's have a look at the window displays. This is the first bag that we can get a glimpse at. This is an incredible piece as well. Usually I'm not a fan of the East-West bags, but this is a nice one. I'm still a big fan of this black flowery print. And I can already tell you we're in for a treat with the next window display. Okay, we need to go in to get a proper look at these, but this is a little preview. Wow, okay, I'm excited. And here, guys, another little Lady Dior light. And look at this little hat, I love it. And this is the matching Lady Dior light that goes with it. You can never go wrong with black and gold. Look at this saddlebag. I have not seen this one before. Let's have a look at this little pearl micro. I've seen it on YouTube before. I think it is really, really cute. Dior shoe heaven, anyone. So obviously I'm a fan of these. Yep. Okay, so there's lots to look at. I would say let's go in. Okay, so here we are. I never really understood these bucket bags. Let me know if you like them. This is a new book tote with a star symbol. A new saddle bag with a little bird. These bags are very casual. Not really for me. Lots of small leather goods. And wow, a little top handle. And some beautiful vanity cases. I really like this book tote. Yeah, beige and gold. It's a nice combination. Yes, they have it in a teeny tiny little version as well. Wow, guys, here we are. Okay, let's go around quickly because we need to see these beauties in reality. Okay, this is the tiny little pearl micro. I've never seen so many micros in one place. So, ooh, yeah, this one's already a little bit damaged. Beautiful red. Sorry for the lights flickering. We know that happens every so often. I didn't know they had a micro version for the East-West Lady Dior. Okay, that's even new to me. The little diamante motif and so many little mirrors. Gorgeous. Okay, let's go around, guys. What else is here that we don't know yet? Okay, this I think is the most gorgeous one with all the little beads. Wow. It's the book tote that I was talking about. I really like the black motif a lot more than the white one. Oh, and wow. a red crocodile, Lady Dior, and a black shiny one. Incredible. So that's the white motif, not really a fan of that one. And even a crocodile saddlebag. No! Wow, I've seen only pictures. My SA from Bond Street was sending me pictures of this bag because it is very me, right? That's the first time I'm seeing it in reality. Maybe we can try this one on. It's, I think, black velvet, and then you have like these stunning details. Okay, let's try that one on. They actually have it in the East-West version as well. Okay. Wow, I need to speak to someone. That is gorgeous. Okay guys, so here we are with the bag. Wow. So the only thing that's really shocked me a little bit is it's £6,600. So that's quite a lot more than a regular leather Lady Dior, for the fact that this is only fabric. I mean, it's so expensive because of the beautiful embroidery, you know. But is it worth this? Is it worth it? Let's try this one on as well. This is the little East-West Lady Dior. I'm just not a fan of... I mean, it's very modern, don't get me wrong, but we know, you know, I'm more for timeless styles. Not really a fan of this shape. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Are you fans of the East-West? Let me show you the micro. The micro is actually adorable. Okay, so this is the micro East-West Lady Dior. Actually only came out for cruise now. That's why we haven't seen them before. Look how gorgeous they are. Here we are. What do we think? I like it. I think in such a small size, it's actually quite nice. I think I just don't like the bigger size East-West Lady Diors. Look at the details. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, these are Harrods exclusives. Wow. And a tiny little... Oh, they even come with a box, I assume? Oh wow, so if you buy one of these, you get the entire box. And look at the details. I mean, this is really collector's pieces, right?
The micro size.
Ah, there's the micro saddle.
We do have leather options, but this is the specific pieces.
Wow, and this is all beads and
gold beads,
little crystals as wow. Okay, I mean, I'm a sucker for collectibles. That is incredible.
And the trunk's used to house the bag.
Yes.
But you can use it for anything else.
Of course, yeah. You could use it as a little beautiful jewelry box. Yeah. Oh wow.
They have shoulder straps. So you can
yeah. Harrods exclusives. How many do you have then? If this is a Harrods exclusive.
Less than 100 pieces.
Less than 100 pieces. Wow. Okay, guys. Are they selling fast?
We are, yeah.
Yeah?
It's getting a lot of attention.
Wow. Okay, I mean, they are beautiful.
But this particular small size is exclusive to our boutique.
Wow, yeah, I think I prefer, obviously, these. So what are the prices for these?
12,500.
For both, no matter which bag you're choosing. So, okay, that's good. Wow. And even the box is so beautifully embroidered. So after speaking to this wonderful SA, I'm currently now queuing for a Dior exhibition. I didn't even know there was a Dior exhibition in Harrods. So, yeah, let's see. Look at this little cutie there. Is that not the cutest floof ever? Oh. So we're taking a secret escalator down there. Let's see what this is about.
Our first location, 30 bees helping him measure it up. I'll talk more about that later. For now, just feel free to get some pictures. Christmas trees. And these are Christmas trees with a Christian Dior twist on them.
Look at this. Magical, right? There we have a little micro. I love it.
And the original dress that was made.
This was taken from a museum in Paris and brought here. Only one person in the world is allowed to touch it. That's why they have a security guard here. This is Christian Dior's childhood home in the Normandy, and they built a little model of it. I really feel like Alice in Wonderland at the moment. What a little nice magical trip. So yeah, if you're in Harrods, definitely worth coming and having a look at this little exhibition. Quick little look at what they have on display in the normal boutique area. Oh, these beautiful bags. The red one I think came out for Christmas as well. There we have the book tote I really like. Have we seen this one before? I don't think so. Some more micro bags, guys. I really like this one with the mirror. with the mirrors, and I love these boots. Let's have a quick look at the exotic pieces. So guys, this is a little unicorn. I love this one. I think that's my favorite. Okay guys, I think that was it for Dior. We have seen so much. Let's go to Bottega Veneta and see if they have the little shearling bag that I want to look at. This is another really gorgeous mini jodie. Maybe we should try that one too. There we can get a glimpse of what they have available. Oh, I love the metallic one. We have a closer look at these. So here we have a little nice metallic green, metallic silver, metallic red. And yeah guys, I mean I have 2 crystal bags now. I'm drawn to it, but I don't need another crystal bag. Oh wow, they actually do have some sort of, oh no, that's not shearling, that's more like a towel. It feels like a towel. And a nice little suede one as well. What do we think about this one? I never really considered the cassette, but I'm drawn to anything gold. Here guys, we are with a little golden mini jodie, and wow, it is a very shiny gold. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's an eye catcher. I like it. They put like real weights in the bag so that they stand up properly. I think otherwise they wouldn't stand up. Just need to check that nobody is getting my bag there. So yeah, I definitely want a mini jodie. I think, you know, I think it's a really cool bag. If they don't have the shearling one, then I think maybe I would consider the classic leather one. Do you have a jodie? Do you like yours? These models are new as well. I like how they folded the leather. Quick look at Hermes again, of course, guys. I feel like 2023 has finally to be the year where I get my first Birkin or Kelly. I mean, I would take this one home immediately if I could. And they have, whoops, they have a Kelly in this as well. This is a new bag, right? Does anyone know the name? Beautiful Constance. This is a nice Gucci Jackie bag. I think I really like the contrast of the white and black. These new bags, guys, I don't know. I don't know if they are for me. This one is new as well. One side we have the classic monogram canvas, and then we have one side that's exotic python. These are new too, but it's not my style. I don't know, it gives me like circus vibes. But also I like the Diana bag if it doesn't have the Gucci, you know, on it so prominently. What do we think about this? This one must be heavy with all the hardware bits, but there we have little crystals and the GG logo. Still not a fan of this one. Maybe I should try it on once, because I've never tried it on before, but nope, I just don't like it. I think in a year or two people will wake up and see that the proportions were just off. Okay guys, here I am with this monstrosity of a bag. I mean, you know, I'm quite tall, but even on me it looks gigantic. Yeah, not a fan. The hardware, you can actually feel the weight of the hardware. I mean, for traveling it's probably good, but no, I'm staying away. Have a look if they have any special pieces at Louis Vuitton. This little capucine I have not seen before. They even have a black crocodile. And I've seen this before, guys, but I really like the handle. The rainbow handle. This is another special piece, and this is a new little bag that they're coming out with that reminds me so much of the Loewe puzzle bag. Oh wow, look at this one. It's ostrich, an ostrich handle and an ostrich flap, and that's probably malachite. I just have to show you this. How cute is this little teddy bear? Adorable. And you guys know I love the little Vivienne plushie because it's so soft. Oh, cute. Look at this one. We've seen it before from the Garden collection, but it is so sparkly that it immediately draws all attention to it. Can't believe they still have Garden pieces, Garden collection pieces. I thought all of them would sell out a lot faster. There we have the little rainbow capucine again. Hello. So I want the capucine mini in exactly this combination. Beautiful galley with a python handle. Look how stunning this python handle is. Obviously they're all individual, but it's so symmetrical. Wow. To Hermes to look at some perfumes because Jacob told me about a perfume I really need to try. So it's this one, Gabrielle, and it's sold out unfortunately, but they're checking if I can test it. Jacob was right. I really like this one. It's a very soothing, subtle, comforting smell. Quick look at Fendi to see what bags are still available from the 25th anniversary, and these are still available. I mean, I think we've seen all of these. That's a cool tote. You can just casually put whatever baguette you're choosing for the day there on the front. Yeah, it's a good idea. Let's be honest, I like a lot of them. This one I don't get. Okay guys, so that was it for today. A lot of unexpected little surprises and a lot of eye candy in general. Oh, I'm running across the street again. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same, yes, luxury disease. And one last look, oh you can't really see it, at Harrods, and I see you again soon guys. Bye! And my first hot chocolate this winter. It's actually getting cold guys.